What's good, ho? Today is a Christmas makeup tutorial. 'Tis the season to be hoey. Was that a good pun? This time of year is just a blast in a glass because everyone's lit. I have no idea what look I'm going for today. There's so many good looks on Instagram that it's hard to fucking keep up. Like if you look, there's just so many good ones. But fuck it, let's go. So I think I'm just gonna start with some white eyeliner just to get the juices flowing. I don't know why this is so dirty, I've never used it, but this is the Essence Eyeliner Long Lasting Pen in white. I also have the NYX one, but this one, it's good, but it gets so crusty. So I'm just gonna try something else, see how it goes. This looks like shit. Yeah, this is bad. So just gonna go to the white NYX one. Oh yeah, way better. Okay. Okay, so now taking a BH brush, doesn't have a set number, it just says number 2 on it. I'm gonna go into the Morphe 35C palette, and I'm gonna go into this green right here, this bright one. And I'm just putting it in the inner corner because I think I want to do a red on this side. And then going into the same palette again, I'm gonna go into that red shade again, or not again, this red shade. And I'm just blending to the wing. I forgot, I had this. This is from Primark. I got it when I went to New York and I went to Staten Island just to go to Primark. So you can see it was really cheap. It was on sale for $1. But yeah, that place is fucking amazing. Like, it's good quality clothes, cheap. It's based in Europe. Sucks I don't have one in Florida. But I'm gonna try this out. It comes with glitter gel and then these loose glitters. So let's see what's up. Alright, I'm gonna try the glitter gel, but I'm just gonna get a really thin brush to do this. Yeah, I'm gonna do this kind of brush. Oh my god. Whenever I have to do stuff like this in makeup, I just like mentally say to myself, like, you are powerful, you are strong. It's like a chant, and I just keep going. You know, it's just motivational. Alright, that looks pretty neat. I do say so myself. I'm gonna add additional glitter. I'm gonna add this loose glitter by Too Faced. It is called Glitterly. Just to give more wow. Alright, that's pretty cool. And I think I'm gonna go back in with the white liner, and I'm gonna add some snowflakes along the crease. Then I'm just gonna put like little white dots around it. Alright, now that the white part is dry, I'm gonna go back in with the green shade with just the brush and just kind of lightly just over it. Alright, let me quickly put on the rest of my face. Bing bong boop. But yeah, now I've got everything else on except for the under eye and the lips. For under eye, I know I'm definitely going to be using this liner by ColourPop. It's the cream gel liner in Teaspoon. And I don't feel like putting eyeshadow underneath, so I might just do mascara. And I'm doing the Lashes of the Day by Essence. The lashes I'm wearing right now, the falsies, I just got them from Walmart and they're so shitty. Let me show you. It's the Grand Glamour by Vegas Nate. I've gotten this before and like it wasn't bad, so I'm just wondering why these are like so stiff and like they were just so hard to like maneuver. But my lashes from Makeup Shack are coming in Friday, so I'm only gonna be busted for like a day. Ugh, itchy. My nose gets so itchy when I do makeup. Then I'm gonna do what is my setting spray? And this is my go-to, the Ofra Makeup Fixer. I drench my face in it. Alright, while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm gonna do my lips. You could get crazy and do this like green color, you know, like very Christmassy. It's very like the color of like a wreath or something. Or you can do like a classic red. But I'm going to the gym after this, so I'm not trying to have something that's hard to take off, so. I'm just gonna get all the makeup off my lips. And my hair is braided because I'm seeing my boo later and I'm trying to have natural waves that ain't natural. And I'm taking the clear lip gloss by Essence. $2, can't beat that with a stick. Let me undo my braids and shit. This braid is bigger just because I have more hair growing on this side, you know, can't be perfect, gotta have some flaws, you know. Yeah, that is the final look. It's just great, easy, affordable. I didn't do anything, I don't think I used any products that were like too expensive. It was super easy. I literally just winged that shit. Even if the glitter liner is intimidating to you, it's really not that hard. As long as you just outline it first and just slowly pat it on, it's so easy. And obviously, if you have neater, steadier hands, the snowflakes will look better too. And if you're wondering where I got this cami from, it's from Agassi. It was only $5. I only buy things on sale. I don't do regular price.